We're going to talk about things that make life easier on the road. Like what, Mike?
All kinds of things.
Okay.
Before we get to the dash cams, which are kind of cool,
Yep.
Let's talk about some cool little headsets. These are from Supertooth. They've been around for a number of years now. Make fantastic Bluetooth speakers. I love them. They've got these little in-ear earbuds now, and these are kind of cool. They're like tiny.
Oh, they look like earrings.
They're like earrings.
Like
yeah.
earrings. Yeah.
And fantastic sound. They've got great drivers in them. The battery life is phenomenal. You can get, I think, 14 hours battery life out of these guys altogether.
Yep.
And really fast charge time. So if you've run out of battery, you can charge it up to 80% within an hour, which is kind of cool.
Nice.
So these are great for on the go, and you don't have any wires or anything. Bluetooth 4.2 connects with iPhones, Android phones, everything. So if you're in the market for headphones, definitely check these out.
Okay.
But I think $129, which
that's a pretty good price,
is
actually.
pretty reasonable for this type of headset.
Okay, that's cool.
BlackBerry, they've got the BlackBerry Motion.
BlackBerry, I've heard of this company.
They've been
How
around.
How are they doing these days?
They're doing well. Obviously, they've had to shift,
Right.
but they're doing well. They do a lot of back-end security server stuff. They're still licensing out, the phone as well. So they're making Android phones now. So it works with all the Android apps out there, but they have much better security built into the phones themselves. Battery life on this thing is fantastic, 32 hours.
Wow.
Which a lot of people love. A lot of people still have BlackBerries, and they love their BlackBerries. They've also got something cool called the Privacy Shade, again, for security. I don't know if you can see this here, but when you enact it, you can kind of drag this little thing around on your screen and just look at the things.
There, so maybe we can,
oh, there you go.
Okay,
There it is.
And just look at the things you want to. So if you're on like a bus or a plane and you don't want everyone looking at what you're
spy stuff.
what you're looking at, you can adjust that.
That's Maxwell Smart stuff.
It is.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful phone. It's fast. The battery life's fantastic, and security is great as well.
So why
And
can't
it runs
every
Android.
phone company make a 32-hour battery?
I don't know. They should, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
they should
BlackBerry,
license that
awesome.
technology to the other phone companies.
Exactly.
And
Well, it's got a
survive.
giant, I think, 4,200 milliamp battery in this thing, which is amazing because it's still pretty thin
Yeah.
for that amount of battery in it. So it's cool.
Okay.
If you're in the market for an Android phone, definitely check this out.
Okay. All right.
Let's have a look at some of the dash cams. These things are very popular lately. This one here is from Anker. It's their Rove Dash Cam Pro C1. And it's cool. It's got the built-in screen and GPS. It records video right onto the included SD card. So this is great. You put it up front, obviously, and if you get into an accident, you've got all that footage that you can then use to hopefully not have to pay any deductibles or what have you. This one's a great price, $169, and again from Anker.
Okay.
Let's look at this one here. This one's from Kenwood. This is their DRV-410.
Oh,
I don't know how they come up with these names, but this one's
a boardroom. What number should we use?
yeah, this one's neat. It takes high definition video as well. It records in 3 megapixels, so it's actually higher than HD video. What's unique about this is that not only does it have the built-in GPS, but it's got a few other detection features built into it as well. So it's got a collision detection feature, so if you get too close to the car in front of you, it sets off an alarm, which is cool.
Stop putting on your lip gloss. Look where you're going.
See,
Big sandwich.
yeah, right?
Wait.
It's got lane
Nobody's
departure.
hands are on the wheel on that one.
Lane departure detection as well. So if you're veering out of your
Right,
lane,
yep.
it'll give you a warning as well.
Okay.
And also, sometimes you're sitting waiting at the light and you're not paying attention, and
Falling
the car,
asleep,
yeah,
yes.
the car in front of you takes off, and everyone's honking at you. It's got an alarm for that as well, so it knows when that car is going, and it gives you a little jolt,
alert?
little
I
jolt.
have done that many times.
So you can record in a number of different ways. You can do it manually by hitting record. You can have continuous record, so just always recording. And also it's got a collision recording feature as well. So if it detects a collision, it goes back 10 seconds, captures that, and then continuously records after that as well to get the entire
That's
collision.
smart.
Very smart.
I know, it's crazy smart. So this is a little more money because it's got all the extra
Yep.
detection features built in. So $300 for this. And again, for the Anker one, $169. So it just depends on your budget and what kind of features you want.
Right, if you want the
for
extra
your dash
safety
cam.
features or just a straight-up dash.
But yeah, these are handy little things to have, especially for teenagers or
point.
yeah, or lazy drivers that aren't paying attention like me.
All right.
Me too.
All right. Thank you, Mike.
Thanks, Mike. Great.
Head to GetConnected Media for more information. Thank you for watching. Squire and Chris have the